We've arrived at Monarch Exterior Centers, and they have graciously offered to be our sponsor for our roofing. I have a few products in mind already, but I'm keen to see what they've got in store. So we're gonna go tour around their store, get their advice on what's the best siding and roofing products to use, and maybe we'll even walk away with something today. We'll see. We'll see what they got. All right, let's go inside, meet them, and get a tour. Pretty nice looking place. Let's go to the front desk. Good morning.
Morning.
I was told to come to the front desk and ask for Glenn.
That would be me.
All right, well, we wanted to get you guys' advice on some products to use today and check out what you guys kind of carry. So
Sure, I can give you a little walk around, show you what's going on here, what we're selling and that. We're an exterior product company, and we have two separate divisions here at Monarch. Our roofing division, which has always been upstairs, and then we have our siding, our exterior products downstairs. On the way through, we do have a couple samples on the wall. These would be, this is the in-stone product, which is it's a high density foam stone. So that's something someone can screw onto the wall, put on themselves. Along the same line, same type of product, going back to the old brick looks. So basically, we carry all the accessories that all the siders need during the day. We stock all the trims in one area. We have roofing, some roofing product in the back, some of the steel. And a customer would come in, get their order at the front desk, drive around to the back. We'd load them. We have gentlemen in the back that load them, help them strap them down onto their trucks, and they're on their way. In the very back of the building here, we also have the CNC shear and brake that I was speaking about, that we can basically build anything you want. If you have a special trim in mind or a special idea for something, you would want us to build it, we would do it.
after seeing all of these different products and different options available, we're gonna go with this super slim, lightweight metal.
It's like a commercial ACM panel after it's all said and done. So it's trimming that goes around in certain dimensions. Got the fastener system on the back for your rain screen system to keep the moisture coming down. It is a product that's made out of aluminum skinning, and it's acrylic panel, so everything on it, the aluminum trimming, it's all recyclable. And we're gonna be using the FastPlank system to go with it to complement. So we've got lightweight, 100% recyclable, and rated for the wind to go on the roads, because this tiny house is going to be going 100 kilometers an hour across all of Canada. So there we go, siding. But you know what's next? Roofing. Well, that's upstairs. Our place is upstairs, yeah.
Westbourne Metals is our supplier for our painted steel. Some of the similarities to a stone-coated roof: it's got the Class 4 impact resistant, a little bit different of a gauge, comes in a 29 gauge, 26 gauge, and a 24 gauge. What you get is dependent on what your needs are. Another benefit of the Pro-Lock or the standing seam profile is the hidden fastener system. The hidden fastener system, what that means is you put your fasteners in, but with the next piece overlapping, you're gonna hide those, so you'll have no exposed fasteners to the weather and the elements. The benefit of this is it's only a 1-inch profile, so that's gonna help fit within your guidelines.
Awesome, well thank you so much for showing us your guys' different kind of metal products.
No problem.
Definitely sounds like metal's the way to go for our tiny house.
I think metal's definitely the option for you guys.
Glenn, Devin, thank you guys so much. This has been awesome to check out your guys' facility.
Thank you.
Check out all your amazing products, and I'm looking forward to working with you guys to have these amazing products on the state-of-the-art tiny house. Oh. That was awesome. So cool to check out all the different products that Monarch Exterior Standards carries for roofing and for siding. There's lots of stuff coming up for you guys to check out on the Tiny House Master Plan. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. In fact, that's how you also win the house. If you want to win this tiny house that we're building for you, you gotta subscribe and you gotta go to the website and fill out the contest form. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any exterior needs for siding and metal roofing, you know who to come to. We'll see you guys in the next episode of the Tiny House Master Plan.